Hi everyone, it's Eleanor here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really chic and cute flat twist with clip-ins hairstyle brought to you by To All My Black Girls. If you haven't watched any of my other To All My Black Girls videos, go ahead and watch it now. I will link it up in the cards, but for now, let's get right into this video. So I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I have also applied my leave-in conditioner, and I'm starting by dividing my hair into 4 sections. So I make 4 rows, and I'm going to start by flat twisting the hair down. Now, I am no expert in flat twisting, so please don't take this as a tutorial for how to flat twist. I'm merely showing you how I create this hairstyle. So you're going to start by taking a section of the hair, make sure it's as wet as you would like it. Then I apply some edge control and I start flat twisting the hair.
Just last week you called me, the way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello.
Once I get to the end, I secure the twist with a hair tie just to make sure that the twist does not go loose. Then I move on to the next section of hair. I make sure it's detangled, I make sure it's as moisturized as I would like it, apply some edge control, and I flat twist the hair all the way down to the end as well. Once I get to the end, I just combine the 2 twists and tie it into the same hair tie. So I'm now moving on to the 3rd row of hair. I make sure it's as moisturized as I would like it, apply my edge control, flat twist it all the way down, and then I do the same with the 4th section. So now that all my hair has been flat twisted, I'm going to start to apply my extensions. So I'm going to take one of the To All My Black Girls clips and I'm going to apply it, and I'm starting at the base of my neck, so right at the back of my head, and I start to apply it quite carefully. I clip it into the twists and I take my time to make sure that it is secure and make my time to make sure that it does not go anywhere. And I also moisturize the hair. Remember that the To All My Black Girls hair acts like natural hair. I mean, it is natural hair. So you basically treat it like you treat your own natural hair. So you want to make sure that you moisturize it, you treat it gently, you're not harsh with it at all. Basically, if you treat it like your own curls, you'll ensure that your hair lasts really long. And yeah, just make sure that you're gentle with it. So I have the 18 inches and it's quite long, but this is the look that I love. If you have a look on the To All My Black Girls website, which I've linked down below, you can check out all the different lengths that they have in their extensions, and you can obviously go for the length that you would like.
Hello.
So now that I've applied the extensions to about the halfway point on my head, I am going to take some of the hair on the side and I'm going to wrap that over the first layer of extensions, because you obviously don't want that to be visible. You don't want it to be obvious that you're wearing extensions. So I'm just going to wrap the hair over, and I use some bobby pins to make sure that it's secure. And then I do the same from the other side. Take a bit of the hair and wrap it over, secure it down with a bobby pin, and then basically I'm just going to kind of nip and tuck and pin the hair down until I'm happy with the final look. And that is pretty much it, guys. Such an easy hairstyle. Once again, I am slaying it with To All My Black Girls, if I have to say so myself. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think of this hairstyle. Would you wear a hairstyle like this? Would you wear To All My Black Girls? And if you'd like to purchase your own hair, make sure that you use my code Eleanor10, that's Eleanor10, to save some money when you purchase your own hair extensions. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.